Please change trains here. After leaving Hanayama, we will stop at Nagoya CF0, the final stop. The doors on the right side will open. Please refrain from touching the doors and wait for them to open.